Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Hold Alt plus Shift and draw the circle. Now, name this fill color and pick up the stock color. Increase this circle value. Select this circle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Now we need line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Select all and take shape builder tool and discuss all unnecessary part. Select this and take shape builder tool and join this path. Now you need a circle, hold Alt plus Shift and draw the circle. Adjust this circle perfectly. Select all and take shape builder tool and discuss unnecessary part. Now select all and go to stock palette and click around it. Now you need another circle, hold Alt plus Shift and draw the circle. Select all, go to object and expand. Go to Pathfinder, click unit. Now you take a circle, hold Alt plus Shift, draw the circle. Change the circle color and send it back. Now align vertical and horizontally center. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.